Hello, today we are going to show you how to use the Artec Digital Bluetooth Smart Tag and the iOS app. The first, you need to go to the App Store to download the latest iStop Finder app. Now we're going to show you how to install the battery. You can open the battery cover from the back to push it out, remove the cover, and then make sure your battery polarity is face up. Once you install the battery, make sure the switch to the left. After turn on the power on switch, you will see the LED flashing. Hello, here is how you stop the app. First, you need to tap the iStop Finder from your iPhone. When app is ready, we'll ask you to turn on the Bluetooth function. Make sure your Bluetooth function has been enabled. You need to use the search tag function to do the pairing. Please accept all the pairing requests from the screen. Once the app and the tag has been successfully pairing, you can change the tag symbol. So we provide a popular symbol for you to choose from. You can select like a wallet, and once it is done, you can press the down button. Here's how you change the device detail setting. The first, you can change device name. Once finished editing, press return. This is the battery indicator. If the battery less than 20%, please change the battery. This is the proximity range symbol. The first one, green, shows the far distance. This is the short distance. Once gray out means disable proximity function. The second one shows the alarm sound. This is loud alarm or low volume alarm. The third one, you can change the alarm tone setting. So you can choose the default as beeping sound, or choose the popular iPhone tone. The next one is show the call alert function. This is call alert enable, means when somebody call you, you are away from your phone, the tag will make a sound to remind you. This is disable call alert function. This is to show the last SIM map function is disabled, right? The next one is shows last SIM map function. The mark selection, you can either manually press the mark or remove the mark. The last function we provide is the remote camera function. And the tag will be acting like a remote control. So you can select the capture count, you can increase the count. You can select the the camera from the front or from the back, and adjust the flash option. Here's how you use the iPhone to find your tag. You can adjust the alarm sound level. Search tag again. You can stop the searching by touching the item. Here's how you use the tag to find your iPhone. You can press the Find Me button on top of your tag. You can stop the searching by pressing the Find Me button. Hello, here is how you use the proximity function from the tag and the phone. The first, you can select the near distance. When you select near distance, the signal strength will use the red color to show the signal strength. Now, if the tag is away from your iPhone, after out of the range, the iPhone will issue the alarm sound and tag will issue the alarm also. Here is the alarm, show you your tag is out of range. Once the unit coming back, or you find your tag, the alarm sound will go away. This brief demonstration only shows the basic function from this app. You can use the help to find all the detailed information from the help function.